Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to get the top movies list from IMDb in Python. First, I'm going to import a beautiful soap. I will use from PS4 import beautiful soap and import request. Then I will define a function which will get those top movies list from IMDb. Define IMDb. And pass in movie count, how many top movies we want to list. And then I will have our base URL. This will be set to this string over here, and I'm using F for F strings in Python. It is used to make string interpolation simpler. F strings are a convenient way to embed Python expression inside string literals for formatting. And now I'm going to pass the URL https://www.imdb.com search title type and the F again. Feature and sort equals to numbers. This is the URL required to query the IMDb. And here I'm going to pass in our movie count. This one over here is curly braces. Now I will show you how this query works and how we are going to parse the data from this side and extract the information about movies. I will copy this URL and paste into Google Chrome. And I will also remove the F string from this URL. Over here, just need to remove those F string in from our Python code. We don't need here. So I'm just gonna remove those. And this should be the movie count. In Python it's a variable. Right here I'm going to change it to a number such as 10 or 5. Count set to enter. Here is our IMDb search result page for top movies. So page is still loading, but I will look into the elements that are important for us to parse. I will just stop this page from loading, and I will go over here and select the title and inspect this element by selecting this and right click on it, and we can click on inspect. And if you're using Google Chrome, this is our title over here somewhere. Yeah, this is the one. This is the URL. This is the title over here, and the link we can scroll up a little bit, and over here this is our this div tag with class lister item mode advanced. This one we are looking for. You can see when I select this one over here, it highlights the movie information that we need. We need a title, genre, and maybe a link, and so on. So first we need this tag over there, this one over here, div tag with this class. Then I will extract genre. We can find that one also over here. For example, drama. Just select this one and inspect. And just right click on it and inspect. And you can see over here the tag is span for the genre. To extract this one, the value of that, such as this over here, drama. Now back to our code. Now we are going to use a beautiful soap. Our website. I will name it a website and use a beautiful soap. And use request dot get and pass in our base URL. Going to get its content, so we get all the content back from that page, and we need to pass in what kind of parser we want, HTML parser or the parser we are using. And now I'm going to use a for loop to loop through all our div tag that I show you with that class lister item mode advanced. So it's gonna be for movie in our website. We are going to find all, and here I need to pass in our div tag and then our class from where we want to parse our each movie info, and it's gonna be Lister item mode advanced. And now I'm going to print, also add a new line corrector. And our new line, and from a movie h3.a.text, this will give us a movie name. And then I'm going to use movie.find, and the span tag we looked to get the genre, and its attributes are class was, and then its value will be genre. And then dot text, so we can get the value, suggest the drama. And now I'm going to print and movie dot strong dot txt. This will get us the movie rating. It's all about extracting the information from the page. And now f string and movie page link I want to create at dps www.imdb.com, and our curly braces, and movie.a.get will get us a link, movie page link. BHREF, and then I'm going to print some asterisks to separate each movie list. We are going to multiply by 50, so it's gonna print us 50 asterisk sign. And then I will use input. I will save in a count how many movies the user want to see. The top movies. Let's input. How many movies? And we will read into count, and I will pass this count to our function over here. IMDb, this is our function which take count. I will make a call to IMDb. And pass in our count. And I think so over here I'm missing the parentheses. If you don't have Beautiful Soup installed, you can also use this command pip3 install Beautiful Soup 4. I have on my system, so I'm just gonna run my program using Python 3 and my program name, and just hit enter. and you can see it asking how many movies. I will go for 10. Just hit enter. And it's done, so it got us some list. I'm just gonna, here is the movie list, and the genre, the rating, and the link to that movie page, and so on. So this is a nice list. So this way you can grab a top movies list from IMDb in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.